Health experts have previously expressed the importance of getting your flu shot this year amid the pandemic.
And so today, one Mayo Clinic doctor provided an update on how that is going. Our KTTC Sarah Gannon is live in our studio after hearing from Dr. Robert Jacobson. Sarah.
Well, Tom and Caitlin, the Mayo Clinic Children's Center was disappointed to say they are not achieving the rates they would like to achieve in southern Minnesota for flu vaccinations. In fact, cases of influenza are already being reported in Minnesota.
This year is more important to get the flu vaccine because the flu actually also has symptoms that mimic the COVID-19 infection.
The influenza virus is actually active year-round, but outbreaks tend to pop up the most between December and March, even as late as May and June.
The flu every year is an important problem. Up to 20% of us get the flu every year.
Experts say the influenza virus shifts each year, which is why an annual vaccine is needed. And this year is even more important because of COVID-19.
Both can present with a fever and with a cough, and they're different in that the flu, as a rule, tends to show up a day or two after you've been exposed, whereas COVID-19 can actually show up 2 to 14 days after you were exposed.
Jacobson says in the 11-county area, there are roughly 500,000 people, and only 36% of them have been vaccinated this year. But it's actually been harder to get vaccinated this year because of COVID-19 restrictions.
We've actually had to hold our flu vaccine program differently this year to vaccinate. We had to do it by appointment so that very large numbers of people still could come in, but safely.
Also, Mayo Clinic was not able to go into schools in Olmsted and Mower counties this year to vaccinate students.
And it's always children who start the local outbreaks. So vaccinating children has always been critical to preventing flu spreading in the community.
But if you haven't gotten your flu shot yet, it's not too late. Jacobson says that the vaccine is safe and effective 2 to 4 weeks after being received, something to think about as Thanksgiving and Christmas are quickly approaching. Reporting live in the studio, Sarah Gannon, KTTC News.